Hi, my name is JD and today we're going to be checking out STL's Tone Hub. It's basically an amp simulator for the computer. We're going to do a little 2-minute track using two of the amps inside the plug-in. I'll be using a Diesel VH4 and a PRS Archon, I think it is. It comes with a bunch of amps presets and I think it was 90 quid I paid for it. It's pretty good for what it is for an amp sim. So I'm using the LTD Deluxe MH1000DT tuned to E flat with the Bill Steer signature pickups, going straight into the audio UAD Audio Solo Apollo, and basically this is what it sounds like. Alright, so for that little demo that I did, I used two amps out of the STL Tone Hub. I used the PRS Archon in the high gain setting, and I used the VH4, Diesel VH4. So this is what the VH4 sounds like. As you can tell, it's a really good sound. I didn't really mess much with the EQ. I think I added a bit of presence and a bit of treble and turned the bass down a bit. But other than that, there's no stomp on this one, and I didn't mess with the EQ or any effects. It's just literally the amp and the cabinet, and I thought it sounded great, so I thought, why not? Right, and so the other amp that I used was a PRS Archon. Now, I had this sounding quite shit, to be honest. I just wanted it to fill in the frequencies that the VH4 didn't have. So it's not an ideal sound, this, but I think it goes well when once I blended it. So this is what that sounds like. So as you can tell, that sounds really horrible, but I did do it just to fill out the frequencies, and once it was blended it sounded really good. So now we're probably just going to check out some different amps that you can get in here. My favourite one is the PRS Arc on this high gain one, number 17. I'll just click on that and then we'll see what that sounds like. So as you can tell, that sounds really good. For 90 quid I think it's a really good plugin. If you just want a load of presets that you can just plug in, play, it sounds really good and I highly recommend it. So yeah, I'll just try a couple more amps and then we'll call it a day. So this is the 5153 high gain and this is what this sounds like. Yeah, another great amp. Like I said, I'm not even messed with any of the presets on this. This is just stock how they come, and they sound great. So I highly recommend it if you get a chance. So I'm not going to go through all these amps because there's just bloody millions of them. I'm not going to do any of the clean stuff. But yeah, for 90 quid I think it's really good and I recommend you check it out. The only thing I don't like I said, is the impulse responses. There isn't any, but I get why they've done that. But other than that, yeah, I'd highly recommend check it out. Yeah, see you on the next one.